Hi, Skip here for Rockstar Sealing, the professional's choice in sealing systems. As a stone professional with a stone professional and restoration business in Southern California, this is a go-to product for me. And the reason why, it's predominantly a more naturally based degreaser for those problem areas, whether it be olive oil on your marble countertop, or the driveway stain on a paver, UPS guy, tire marks, or oil in a garage floor. You need something that is going to naturally break up and start to dissolve those substrates on the surface and into the stone. Oh, by the way, the reason why you got that stain is it wasn't properly sealed to begin with, encapsulating that stone in a breathable manner, preventing these things from staining into the substrate, regardless of what it is, marble, limestone, concrete, right? So you need a degreaser. Great product. How do you use it? Here's how to use it. Follow the dilution instructions on the back. Start with a 1 to 5 dilution, depending upon the amount of involvement and the degree. Heavy staining, light staining, right? That's where you're going to play around a little bit with the dilution. But generally speaking, apply it, let it sit for 15 minutes. At the end of 15 minutes, start agitating. Use a nylon brush. If it's a small stain on the kitchen counter, you can get a soft nylon brush. Start agitating, let it sit, agitate a little more. You may have to add a little bit more. If it's a commercial job, an industrial floor, you're using a floor machine. At the end of 15 minutes with a soft nylon brush head on that floor machine, agitate, and at the same time you're extracting. You don't want to be wiping, you don't want to be mopping necessarily, because you'll spread all that dilution and it can get reabsorbed. So you want to extract. What is extract? Water vacuum. If you use a highly absorbent cloth, if you're in your kitchen, I'm not asking you to necessarily get a water vacuum for a small stain on a marble countertop. In the end though, it's a fascinating product, can be used on anything, and it's an outstanding product to reduce the particulates and the composition of that which is stained, whether it's oil or motor oil in a garage floor, olive oil in a kitchen. You're going to have a product that'll solve that problem. To learn more about where to get Miracle Cleaner like I do, visit rockstarsealing.com.